Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, thanks for joining me here today at Daily Doodles. And today I'm going to show you how to draw a super cute Kirby. He's going to be like a Valentine's Day Kirby. And I don't know, I think it's going to be really cute. So before we get started, please feel free to leave a like, leave a comment, maybe let me know what you'd like to see drawn next or what you would like to learn how to draw. And also, it would be great if you're new here if you would subscribe. All right, so let's start drawing our cute little Valentine's Kirby. I'm going to start with the shape of the body. So he's a pretty round little guy. All right, so that's my Kirby body. Now I'm going to do a little hand here. It's just kind of like a U on a side. And I'm going to put another one right here. And now we can draw a heart. He's going to be holding a little heart. So the only part of the heart that you're not going to draw is what would be covered by Kirby's little hands. Everything else you draw. Alright, so next let's do the eyes. So we're going to do a tall oval here. And another tall oval. And we can do a smaller tall oval inside. And on the bottom of the eyes, I'm going to do a little heart. Okay, so the rest of the eye here, we can color in all dark. Next, let's do a cute little smile. And by the eyes, we're going to do a little sideways oval. And now we're going to do Kirby's shoes. One foot here, and one here. And I'm going to add some extra little hearts here. Just to make it extra cute. All right, so now we are going to color. All right, so we are finished our cute little Valentine's Kirby. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here for whatever our next drawing is going to be. All right, everyone, goodbye.